company. We are in IVV, the Florentine Tuscan made glass manufacturer, to talk of the new collection presented by the Tuscan company at the beginning of 2020. We are today focusing on the tabletop, on all the items that are meant to be used on the table, private or professional table, to mix and match so much in fashion, and not necessarily to mix and match with glass, but glass with other materials, so mainly glass with porcelain plates, to create fashionable, contemporary and interesting settings. We start from the setting I have, the mise en place I have in front of me, that is made with a charger belonging to the Babilonia family, and Babilonia is the metaphor for confusion, as you know, because this range is composed of items transparent and slightly decorated, or fully decorated, or semi-decorated, as we will see later on, seeing other products belonging to this range. This charger is, as you see, clear with this thin line in brick red color that we decided to use to match it with a dinner plate, fully clear, but with this light texture that gives a feature, a character to the item without disturbing, so suitable for both elegant and more minimalistic settings. And over this dinner plate we use a porcelain plate, ton sur ton, with the charger. As to the glassware, we use the pink Speedy water tumbler. The Speedy line is composed by many colors. There are many other colors beyond the pink one. And for the stemware, we used a new line of wine glasses, that is the Bolgheri line, just introduced this year by IVV. Here you see the white wine glass, and here you have the bodied red wine glass. Then the line is completed by a champagne glass, a champagne flute, and a young red glass, so a glass for lighter red wines. Now we move to the next setting. Here again the mix and match concept is quite evident. We started with this charger, always belonging to the Babilonia range. In this case, the clear glass is decorated with the black thin rim that makes it quite elegant for elegant setting. Then we used this dinner plate belonging to the Vertigo range, featured by these concentric lines on clear, that makes of this line something that is simple, minimal, but at the same time has a feature that easily matches as a consequence with porcelain of different type of colors. Really good. There is a good match with the black, but also with other colors. And we completed the setting with this porcelain plate with platinum decoration and platinum drawings that is not produced by IVV. As to the glassware, always following the ton sur ton logic, we have chosen the Unforgettable line. The Unforgettable line is featured by the coating of the glass that is made of blackboard, the blackboard we had at school, on which we can easily write with a normal chalk. You can write, for example, the name of the guest you have if you are inviting more guests at a party at your house and you don't want them to forget. That's why we call it unforgettable. Their glassware, you can write their name so that they don't forget. The same is with the water tumbler. You can write over the blackboard surface. Important to say that the care and maintenance is quite easy, because being a chalk can be cleaned with a humid cloth, but they can also go into the washer machine. They are dishwasher safe. So also for a professional use, they are suitable. Thinking, for example, instead of writing the name of the person invited, of the guest, you can think of writing the name of what you are serving if you are a chef within the tumbler or within the wine glass. Talking now of accessories for the table, I'm pleased to introduce you one of the new items designed by the Florentine designer Marta Sansoni. This is a small cruet. You can understand from the dimension of my hand, whose name is Pinolio, in honor of Pinocchio, the character of the Collodi's tale. Collodi, the writer, was from Tuscany, as the designer Marta Sansoni is from Tuscany, as IVV is from Tuscany, and last but not least, as the olive oil is one of the best in the world, is from Tuscany. So the direct reference to Pinocchio is quite evident in the long nose and in the two eyes blown by the glass master. The cruet comes obviously provided with the lid, with a silicone gasket to protect the oil inside. So poetry, design and function together in such a small, nice piece.